think I'll call it a day. Horizontals, verticals, all in. Okay, now cut out the horizontal, now it's secured both sides. And this is where I'll do the sunken mitre area. What I need to do is mark a line all the way down there for the circular saw. So as a guide for the saw itself, so it's pressing against something in a completely straight line, and hopefully give me the cut I need. And now that I've got the line that I need to cut down, I'm just going to bring this wood, still got the clamps on, but move this wood about a centimetre or so this way, because if I keep it where it is, although it's in a nice square position, I could end up going into there. So we'll just offset it about a centimetre and then push it back.